My name is Hal, but to everyone in the kingdom calls me Lion. I am the king, and you see, this is my throne. Glorious, isn't it? But you don't have one. Come, let us see my kingdom and my daily life. Let's begin with this carpet thing humans call it. I own one, 'cause I'm special. Give me a second. I must groom myself. Oh, the sunlight. The beautiful sunlight. That is my human. How dare she nubs me? Hello again. Finally, it is back to me, the real king of this movie. My human may be videoing me, but she thinks this is her video. No, she's wrong. It's mine, all mine. People say I'm a sweetheart. I'm a lion, fierce, proud, independent. No one's gonna take my kingdom away from me. I own it. Human, let me go. Her name is Amy. Let me go. Peasant, let me go. Finally, she let me go. So angry, that was my lion's roar. Powerful, is it not? I must continue my territory. I am exploring. Everyone thinks this is ours. My shadows fear me. Humans fear me. Other cats fear me. This is all mine. I have no